All right, so today we are going to go and drive up Mauna Kea. Mauna Kea? Mount Mauna Kea? Today we're going to drive up Mauna Kea. You can't see it very well, it's cloudy, but it's right over there, vicinity. We're going to make our way up. It's about 10,000 feet to the visitor center. Okay, so before we drive to Mauna Kea, I thought it'd be fun to come to sea level to check a couple of things. One, I wanted to see, did my Apple Watch show 0 feet of elevation? It does not. It says 39 feet. But the other thing I want to do is check temperature, as well as my SpO2. I'm not sure how the temperature is going to work that well on the watch, but I'll check it on the car as we go up. And I'm going to do my SpO2 right now, and we'll monitor that also on the way up. All right, so if you can see here, I'm not sure. I don't think this is going to show up at all. But it says 95%. It's kind of low. Apple's pretty inconsistent. And the temperature is... Hold on. Currently 81 degrees. Okay, so we are now at the access road to go up Mauna Kea. And it's 61 degrees with an elevation of approximately 6,500 feet. Alright, so before I forget, we are at 9,200 feet. Temperature is 57 degrees, so we had almost a 30-degree drop, and my SpO2 dropped to 93%. We're going to try to find a hike or something maybe to do. It'd be cool to stick around for a sunset, but we will have to see. How was the drive?
It's fun, guys.
What do you think, Ava?
Good. It's cold. It feels good, but it's like really cold. Wow.
Is it cold? Is it cold out here?
Look at my sweat.
Oh, it's so cold. Brr. Brr.
Hey, Del, what did you think?
Is it cold up here? Yeah.
Okay guys, so we have just started this trail and we are going on a little trail up to this like little, see, we're on Mauna Kea? Something like that, I forgot how to pronounce it. But we are going, oh my gosh, I just jumped. We are going up here to like one of these mounds. Dad, what mound are we going to? So either like that mound, or like, okay, so we're going to this mound right up here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there.
We talked to the ranger and he told us to hike up a little mound up here. I'll turn around for a second. So we're gonna hike about a half hour, he said, up to the top. So that's what we're gonna go try to do. Nope, it's behind us right here. I think we're gonna head up there, but we'll kind of feel the elevation right now. Oh yeah.
here. So pretty. It's literally so pretty. Like the clouds are below us right now. It's so pretty. We're walking up here. Super pretty. Not much some stuff over here. Not much to see over there. But yeah, this is a really pretty view. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like really beautiful. Okay guys, so we're walking up there. I'm going to try and show you if you can see it up there. So we're going to try to walk all the way. Are you sure this is safe? Okay guys, so we're so high up. There's no bars. So if you fell, you might fall like down. No one knows. And like rocks are everywhere. So windy. I don't know what. Okay. We're going like straight off right now. They really should put some bars here. Okay guys, we're almost here.
Right. Windy! We're almost there though, guys. Woo, it's cold! I can't tell. Okay, Adele, we made it as high as we're gonna go. There's another 100 feet maybe, but it's getting pretty steep. So we're gonna cut it off here. Try and give you a little panorama. Adele's not happy, are you, Adele? We're not very happy. Okay.
Floating back up into the sky. And then you don't have time to get home. But is it glowing? What? Is it time to glow it? Glowing? I don't think right now because it's snowing. Yeah. Okay, so it starts going back up, and that means it makes a tiny little hole in the I think it's called like sun. It's a thing that keeps on. It's a little. So they're called chemicals too. I don't think so.
Try watch the stars. Yeah, it's pretty. First stars are popping out.
Where?